So let's say you want to factor this equation. First you find the GCF and factor it out like I did over here. Let's call this term A. Let's call this term B. And let's call this term C. So step 1, set up a factor tree. Multiply A and C together and then look for factors that add up to B. So 1 times -6 is -6, so we'll set up a factor tree for -6. Possible factor pairs for it are -6 and 1, and -2 and 3. However, -6 and 1 won't be possible factors because they don't add up to 1. However, -2 and 3 do add up to 1, so they will be the factors that we use. Then choose any of the factors and turn it into a fraction by making the denominator the A term. Then simplify if needed, but make sure to still leave it in fraction form. I'll be using the term -2 for this step. So -2 turns into -2 over 1. So we want to keep it like that. For step 3, you slide the denominator to the right and add an x to it. Just like this. Since 1x is essentially just x, you can remove the 1. Now put brackets around it just like I did. For the final step, ask yourself, this multiplied by what equals this? So x multiplied by what equals x squared? And that answer is x. Then ask yourself, this multiplied by what equals this? -2 multiplied by what equals -6? The answer to that is +3. For the final step, don't forget to include any GCF that you factored out previously. And after that, the equation is essentially factored.